Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad IRFAN bin Muhammad KAMIL, and today I will be presenting our project, which is the development of a monitoring and controlling application for Paralympic athlete thrower maneuver. To guide our discussion, I've prepared an outline that includes the introduction, which contains the problem statement and the objective, as well as the methodology, the result, and the advantages of our project. Firstly, let's go through the introduction. As we all know, Paralympic throwing event is a competitive sport discipline where athletes with physical impairments participate in throwing activities such as shot put, discus throw, javelin throw, and club throw. The idea for this project is to help improving the wheelchair that is used as well as creating a monitoring and controlling application for the throwing chair. The problem statement is that the thrower chair requires a human labor to move the throwing chair as well as manually controlled and monitored by human. Furthermore, there is no application to monitor and control the throwing chair. This makes our first objective is to design a monitoring and controlling application for the para-athlete thrower chair maneuver. Next is to design a monitoring and controlling application for the para-athlete thrower chair maneuver. And lastly is to test the sensor and application for its functionality. Next is the methodology. In this project, we use a variation of equipment such as Arduino Uno as the microcontroller with an added expansion board for more pin output, the motor driver that acts as a gear motor controller, a line tracking sensor, and a ultrasonic sensor in combination with the servo motor for obstacle avoidance. Lastly, a Bluetooth module to connect with the developed application. So, firstly, the application software acts as an input that will send command to, to the output hardware via Bluetooth connection through the Arduino Uno microcontroller. From there, the user can remotely control the thrower chair. Here is the circuit diagram that we have designed. Continue on to the system design. Firstly, the system will ask for a login whether you are a coach or athlete. From there, the coach and athlete can manage their profile. The athlete can only edit their own profile preference, while the coach has a privilege to set up a training session as well as delete the athlete profile. If the username of the coach or athlete is invalid, the program will display the invalid access and end. Finally, the end result of the project. Here is the full view of the prototype from a certain point of angle. Here we can see the motor driver view, the line tracking sensor view, and the alternate sensor view. Next is we can see the internal wiring run across the entirety of the chair, and the mainboard controller is located beneath the seat. Here is the end product of the application. Here we can see the interface of the login page for the coach and the athlete. Here is the coach site interface that contains the athlete's data information, the training information, as well as the info of the field that will be doing so. Next is the athlete site that have the athlete information and the training session info. Here is the demo of the prototype. advantages of our prototype is that it enhances the chair maneuverability, which the project creates a smartphone app to help coach control their thrower chairs more easily during events. Next is that it improves athletes' autonomy. The application assists para-athletes in operating the thrower chair system independently. Lastly, is that it streamlines training efficiency, which the app features like storing athlete data and Bluetooth control make it easier for the coaches to manage training sessions, improving overall efficiency. That is all for the presentation and thank you for watching.